listen, you guys, if you're still paying $50 for ManyChat every single month, then you're literally throwing your money away. I found a platform called SuperProfile, and it literally does the same thing. It actually works better for creators like us. Most of all, it's saving me $600 a year. That's $600. That's how much I was paying for ManyChat. It's insane. But let me stop talking and show you guys exactly why I switched. Hey guys, so here's the deal. For the past 2 years, I've been using ManyChat as a Instagram automator, like a DM automator. You know how us influencers, we say, comment the words, I don't know, pink bag, and I'll send you the link to this pink bag. That's an Instagram automator. Yes, ManyChat worked for me, but the thing that I didn't like about it was the price. If you guys didn't know, the price that you're currently paying with ManyChat is not a locked in price. As you gain more subscribers, as you get more subscriptions and people signing up, basically contacts, your price is going to go up because they are charging you per contacts. Bill literally went up to $85. That's when I was like, hell no, I'm not paying $85 for this. And then I went searching to find something else that was similar to ManyChat. I tried out SuperProfile for 2 weeks before I went ahead and made the switch from ManyChat because I had to make sure that it's something that worked. Even before making this video, I'm still using SuperProfile, but I had to make sure I'm giving you guys a platform that really works. SuperProfile is basically like ManyChat's cooler little sister. It lets you set up things like the DM automator, keyword triggers. It also has a funnel that you're able to use after someone has downloaded either a lead page or after someone has purchased one of your digital products. The cool thing is, like I said, I was paying $85 a month for ManyChat. For this platform, I'm only paying $30 a month for unlimited contacts. No, you guys, this is not a sponsored video. It's my job as an educator to come here and put you guys on to new things that are going to either save you money or to make your life easier as someone who sells digital products or has an online business. Now I'm going to quickly give you a breakdown of how SuperProfile looks and also how it works. Okay guys, so this is how SuperProfile looks. This is basically your store. It's not like a Shopify, it's more like a link in bio. As you guys can see here on my right, this is where my link in bio is located. You can change the style of your products. So I have all my digital products linked here, my vendors list, and also my master video courses. This is what your link in bio will look like. You do have a lot of options to choose from. Let's go over to the automated messages for Instagram. You guys, I'm still converting all of my automations from ManyChat. I have hundreds of them. So I'm slowly transporting all of them over to this platform, but this is exactly what it's going to look like. These are super easy to set up. It's very self-explaining. Like you just follow the steps, a specific word on any post, and then you would put your specific word, whether it's help me, blah, blah, blah. And you put in the primary message, which is going to be the message that people would get once they reply to certain words. You always want to set up a reply to comments. These are going to be 3 different options. You can use ChatGPT for that. Everything is pretty explanatory. The lead magnets, again, I am kind of new to lead magnets. Well, not new to lead magnet. I'm new to creating digital products for my lead magnets because before I would just use YouTube videos. So now I'm creating separate digital products, downloadables that people can use to get for free in exchange for their email. So these that you just see, they're all new. I literally just created these last week. So once someone comments a specific word, they get the lead magnet, and then the lead magnet gives them this product for free. I get their email, and they also receive an email, which is you use this edit automation button here, and this is going to be an email that they will receive along with their product. So as you guys can see, it looks here just in case you didn't receive your download. Basically, that's what it says. You can click there to also receive the lead magnet, the free product. And then down below, I'm pitching to them a paid product, which is going to be my master influencer course here. So you definitely want to make sure you're enabling that for every lead magnet that you have. Then for the digital products, everything is pretty easy to navigate. Like I'm still in the process of navigating and transferring over my digital products. I think I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 products here. I have like a total of 20 products. I still need to transfer them all over, you guys. So if you're going to create a new product, you just click that button, digital products, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just enter everything that it says. This is very beginner friendly. And just for reference, I'm going to show you guys how one of my digital products looks. This is my Facebook monetization course unlocked. Look how easy the setup is. You can also take your testimonials, your reviews from other platforms and transfer them over here, as well as screenshots with like proof, because you want to include proof and testimonials on your product so that people can trust you more. Like, people want to know that other people are buying your products. Then we're heading over to the one-on-one sessions. This is how your one-on-one sessions page is going to look. Bookings, you can choose whatever you want to put here. You just go to sessions and then you create a new session. I have a 30-minute as well as a 60-minute session. The cool thing about the sessions is that it also comes with things you can use for marketing. Okay, so as you guys can see, look at these cool things that they actually create for us to share on our social medias. Like, if you wanted to share your one-on-one booking, you could use that to promote your one-on-one bookings, you guys. I absolutely love this platform, which is why I'm recommending it to you guys. Now that you guys see why I switched over, this platform is so easy to navigate. Now you guys can see why I switched over to SuperProfile. Not to add that a lot of you guys are actually beginners, so you're not going to know exactly how to navigate ManyChat because it is way more advanced than this platform. Thing I love the most about SuperProfile is the free lead magnet. I want to stress to you guys how important having a free lead magnet is. You might think, oh, I don't want to give people free information, or this is stuff that people should be charging or people should be paying for. Yes, it's true in the future once you have built up a brand for yourself, a personal brand for yourself. But for now, as a beginner, everyone should start off by offering free knowledge. The cool thing is with the lead pages, you're not only helping people with giving them free knowledge, but you're also capturing their email. And their email is something that you are going to be able to have forever. You can forever market to them. You can forever reach them directly without relying on a social media algorithm. Offering freebies to your audience is also another way to build trust. Because let's be honest, not every time people want to be sold to. So when you're coaching and teaching and trying to sell digital products, their goal should be, how many people can you help? Like, you want to help the most amount of people. And what do you think is the best way to be able to do that? Is to offer free knowledge. But it's not just free. You need their email in exchange. So if you're trying to get into selling digital products, or you're trying to get into coaching because you have that knowledge and you have that education, you don't need all these extra platforms. You don't need all this extra stuff. You just need something super easy for you to set up and super easy for people to buy. And that's it, you guys. That's literally today's video. I just wanted to put you guys onto this new platform because, again, whenever I get on a new platform and I use it and it's working for me, I know it's also going to work for you guys. So I hop on here, I run on here and tell you guys about the platform. That's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.